Hi friends, welcome to Quick Hacks Hub. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate most important computer shortcut keys including basic and advanced. So first, let's start with some popular and highly useful shortcut keys. So the first shortcut key that I'm going to demonstrate is Ctrl+A. For this, I need some text. So let's click on this Word document. As you can see, here is some text. So as I will press Ctrl+A, you can see the whole text has been selected. Now the next shortcut key is Ctrl+B. It is used to change the selected text to be bold. Okay, so if I want it to be bold, then I will press Ctrl key plus B. Okay, you see it has become bold. But if I want to remove this bold, I will again press Ctrl+B. Okay, you can also select some part of this text and use Ctrl+B to make it bold. Okay, again press Ctrl+B to remove it. The third shortcut key is Ctrl+I. With the help of this key, we can change the selected text to be in italics. For example, I have already selected this text, and when I press Ctrl+I, you can see it has changed to italics. If I press again Ctrl+B, it has changed to bold and italics both. You can see here also bold and italics are highlighted. Ctrl+U. So what does it do? For this, I need to select some text. It underlines the selected text, and on pressing Ctrl+U keys of my keyboard, this part has been underlined. If you want to underline the whole text, for this, first use Ctrl+A to select the whole text, and then Ctrl+U to underline the whole text. Okay. The next shortcut key is Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C is used to copy the selected part. For this, I can copy any part of this text. So first I need to select some part of this text and use Ctrl+C. This part of the text has been copied to the clipboard and I can paste it anywhere. For this, I need Ctrl+V. Okay, Ctrl+V key is used to paste the copied part. So let's press Ctrl+V. This part has been copied and pasted here. Okay, so we learned two shortcut keys, Ctrl+C to copy the part or the whole text and Ctrl+V to paste it. Now the next shortcut key is Ctrl+X. So what is Ctrl+X? For example, select this part of the text. If I press Ctrl+X, it will simply cut this selected text. You see here, it has been cut, and I can paste it anywhere using Ctrl+V. So what is the difference between Ctrl+C and Ctrl+X? When I used Ctrl+C, then it copied that part, but it left the original copy there and it just copied it. But using Ctrl+X key, the original part that I have selected is removed and I can paste it at other place. Now comes another shortcut key, very useful shortcut key. It is called Ctrl+Z. The function of Ctrl+Z key is to undo the last action. Suppose I did some actions on this text and I want to undo this, so I can press Ctrl+Z. Okay, the action will be undone. If I press Ctrl+Z here, you see my last action was I pasted this text from here, so this will be undone. Pressing Ctrl key and Z key, this part has been removed. If I keep on pressing Ctrl+Z, you will see it has reversed the actions. Now I will demonstrate you another shortcut key that performs just opposite function of this Ctrl+Z key. It is called Ctrl+Y. Ctrl+Y key is used to redo the last action. If I press Ctrl+Y, you see what happens. The things that I have done are redone. And if I again press Ctrl+Z, it will be undone. So Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y perform just opposite functions. Now I will discuss the next shortcut key of computer, which is Ctrl+F. So what does it do? Let's press Ctrl and F. You will see the navigation box appears here, and you can search anything that you want from this current document or window. Suppose I want to search pyramid in this document, so I will type here. You can see here it is saying that there are 5 results of pyramid. They are highlighted here in this color: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now comes the another shortcut key, which is Ctrl+S, which is very common. It is used to save the document. Okay, if I press Ctrl and S key of my computer, then this document has been saved. Even if I close this from here and again open it, you can see everything is saved here. You can also use it from here on pressing File, and you will see this option of saving the document here. Our next shortcut key is Ctrl+P. It is used to print the current page or the document. If I want to print whatever you are seeing on the screen, I will press Ctrl+P. Okay, and this window appears, and you will see here all the instructions that you need to print. This is the document, you can see here. Okay, and how many copies you want of this document, 1 or 2. Okay, you can select it from here, and other basic things are here, like what kind of orientation you want, portrait orientation or landscape orientation. It has changed to landscape now. So these are some basic things. The next shortcut key is Ctrl+Home. Actually, this key is used to reach to the beginning of the document. If you are working on at some place on the document and you want to reach to the beginning part of this document, your cursor will be moved to the first position or the first letter of the document. This is generally useful for long documents. So let's have some long document. Close it and open this file. Suppose right now I am working at this place. Suddenly I need to go to the beginning of this page or beginning of this document. So I will use Ctrl+Home. You see, I have reached to the beginning part of this. Just opposite function of this is performed by another shortcut key, which is known as the Ctrl+End. It is used to go to the end of the document. Suppose I am working at this place and you see this is a large document and I don't want to scroll it to the end, and I instantly using shortcut key go to the end of the document. So I will press Ctrl+End. So let's press Ctrl+N to go to the end of the document. You see, I have reached to the end, and again if I press Ctrl+Home, I will reach to the beginning of this document. Now we will see our next shortcut key, which is Home. Just now we have used Ctrl+Home to go to the beginning of the whole document, but if you press just Home, then you will go to the beginning of the current line. Suppose your cursor is at this place just before this end, and if I press Home, then my cursor will reach to the beginning of this line. Suppose my cursor is at this place just before now. Okay, so if I press Home, then my cursor will reach to the first letter or the beginning of this line. Similarly, if you press End key, okay, END, End key, it will be used to go to the end of the current line. Suppose I am at this place, okay, and I want to reach to the end of this line. So my cursor will reach to the end of this line on pressing End. Okay, you see here it has reached to this place. The next shortcut key is Ctrl+Escape. So this shortcut key is used to open the start menu. Let's try it. Ctrl+Escape. The start menu has opened. The next shortcut key is Ctrl+D. This Ctrl+D shortcut key is used to bookmark the current page in most of the internet browsers. For example, let's open the Chrome browser, and you can see here the list of my old bookmarked pages. Okay, suppose you want to bookmark this page, whatever you are seeing here. All you need to do is use Ctrl+D. and this bookmark window appears here. Okay, you can press done if you want to bookmark this page. This is very simple. By bookmarking this, you can easily access the web page. You need not to search it. It will be added in this list of bookmarked pages, web pages. Our next shortcut key is Ctrl+N. You can use the Ctrl+N to create new or blank document in many softwares, and it is also used to open a new tab in most of the internet browsers. Let's see how to use it. Ctrl+N. So this is a browser, Chrome browser. I will press Ctrl+N. Okay, and you will see a new tab has been opened. Again press Ctrl+N. One more tab will be opened. You can see here different tabs, and it is also used to open a new page or create a new blank document in many softwares. For example, this is Word document, Microsoft Word document. Press Ctrl+N here and a new document has been opened. You can see both of them here. This is the old one and here is the new one. Close it. Now we will see the next shortcut key. It is Ctrl+Shift+Escape. So the combination of these three keys, Ctrl, Shift and Escape, is used to open Window Task Manager. So let's press Ctrl+Shift+Escape. The task manager has been opened. Okay, you can see the different types of tasks that are running, various processes, performance, app history, startup, users, on different things. Okay, so close it. Now another key is very interesting. It is Windows key plus L. Okay, L letter. So if you press Windows key with the key L, then it will lock the computer and you will need to enter your password again to log into your computer. So let's see how it works. Press Windows and L. You see I have pressed it, so I have been logged out, so I need to enter my password again to sign in. So you can use it. To demonstrate the next shortcut keys, I need to open this file. It is next key is Windows plus down arrow. After this we will see Windows key plus up arrow. So what is the function of this? So first see the function of Windows key plus down arrow. You will see the Windows key on your keyboard and also the navigation keys. There are 4 navigation keys: up, down, left and right. So if you press the Windows key with the navigation key which is pointing downwards, Windows plus down arrow minimizes the active program window. Okay, so let's press. What happens? You see it has minimized this window, and just opposite of this is done by Windows key plus up arrow. It will maximize the active program window. So let's do this. You can see. You can also do the same with this using your mouse, this and again this. Now comes a useful shortcut key which is Alt plus F4, function key F4 and Alt. So if you press Alt and F4 simultaneously, then it will close the currently active program window. Let's press Alt and F4. Here one important thing is you need to press function key. Okay, there is a function key in your keyboard. So to press Alt plus F4, you need to press Alt plus the function key and then the F4 key. And you see our window has been closed. You can also close any running program using this. Now we will see another shortcut key which is Alt plus Enter. It will open the properties of the selected item, for example any folder or any file, etc. I have selected this one and I want to see its properties, so I will press Alt plus Enter at the same time. You will see this file's properties have been opened. Another way to see the properties is right clicking on this and click on the properties, okay, without using shortcut keys. Now we will see a very interesting and useful shortcut key which is Alt plus tab. Using this, you will switch between open programs. Suppose you are working with many programs and you have opened many programs and windows, so you can easily switch between them. For this, I need to open various windows. Now use Alt plus Tab. Okay, you can see 3 programs here, and if you keep on pressing Tab, it will select next program. Okay, suppose I want this OBS, okay, the recording screen, and I leave it at this place, then this screen will be opened. So in this way you can use this Alt Tab. Now we will in short see 3 function keys: F1, F2 and F5. Actually F1 key is used to view the help of any software, any program that you are using, any window program. It is used to view the help information. Let me explain it with the example. Suppose you are working with the MS Word. Okay, so just press F1. As I already told you, to use any function key, first you need to press the Fn key, then only you can use the function keys. So press Fn and F1. This window has opened and here are different options for help. The next shortcut key is F2. So it is used to rename a selected file. Suppose I have this file and I want to rename it. First simple method is to right click on this and just rename it, but using a shortcut key you can select it and then press F2. Don't forget to press Fn key with it. So you see, you can simply rename it. Here it is test file, you can rename as test file new. Okay, now our shortcut key is F5. So it is used to refresh the current program window. This is my website, Engineering Made Easy, and I want to refresh it. You can refresh it using this icon, or also you can press F5 with function keys Fn. So see what happens. It has refreshed. Close it. So friends, these were different computer shortcut keys that you can use to make your life easier. And when your mouse is not working or you don't want to use your mouse without touching mouse, you can use these keys. So I hope you found the video interesting and useful. If yes, then please like and don't forget to share it and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching the video till the end.